welcome back to V-La-Nessa. Yes, I know it's been a while, and yes, we know me always are opening the vlog like this. Yes, me know. But welcome back to my channel, all my old time persons, all my newbies. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, just subscribe right now, turn on the post notification so that whenever I release a new video you will be the first to know. Like this video if you like it and leave me a comment. But yeah, so I am going to let you watch each other, then I just come back and tell you what this video is all about. Okay, okay guys, so it's September and pretty much I just want to tell you what to expect in the next couple of days. And in this video though, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do 1 week of vlogs, and I don't have a lot of things planned because due to how and Johannes locked down my birthday, which is September the 5th, I don't really have, I never had anything planned anyway, but worse not have nothing planned. Last year was a blast, so you guys can go back and watch those last year clippings, and I didn't even plan for that, so I was hoping something to that effect happened this year, but the country and the lockdown. Hopefully I can probably do something after, but I'm really not feeling that vibe. So what I'm going to do though, I'm going to fix up myself. Like my hair have not been combed for the last 2 months. What I mean comb, like I've not done anything much more than just wash it and plait it up and that's it. Hence the reason why I have on this do-rag, because it turned bad. Yeah, so I'm going to soft lock my hair individually. I'm going to do that myself, so I'm going to do a video on that specifically, so look out for that video. Subscribe so you can get the video, turn on the post notifications so you can be notified when that video come out. Yeah, I'm going to do that, and I'm also going to do a photo shoot. Back in last year I won a photo shoot and I didn't redeem it. It's not my fault, so the person was busy, but I guess it waited on the perfect time, you know, when I actually wanted it. I don't have that money, so I hooked up the person and the person was like, okay, we're gonna do this X day and we're gonna do that. I want to do it on Airport Road or Palisades, same thing, right? I want to do it down there. I'm gonna use clothes from my closet because you're not spending no extra money. Bills have to pay and food have to eat, so that's that. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. My friend, her birthday is on the 12th or the 11th. One of them days, the 12th, yeah, and she's planning to go to Choco, and she invited me. So if it's still on, I'm going because a next friend of mine, 2 friends, is paying for it as a birthday gift, so I'm just gonna go and enjoy that and call it a week. So for this video, as I said before, I'm just gonna do a week before my birth month of vlogs. So you're gonna see me going to the bank. I want to open a US account so that I can start my trading career. I don't know if they call it trading, but so I can start trading. I've been practicing and it's been very good so far. And what I do understand is that the practice account is much more easier than the real account. So we're gonna see that. We're in lockdown, so I cannot do much, but on the day that we're not in lockdown, I am going to vlog. A friend of mine asked me to follow him to downtown Kingston, so to buy goods for his shop, so I'm going to do that. Yeah, enough of the talking. Watch the rest of the video and I see you when I see you. Okay, morning guys. So let me tell you, yes, this is how I wake up. I plait it up, do the plait it and I tie it down, and this is how I wake up. Don't make nobody put on makeup and make it like so them always looking nice and looking, you know, fresh and everything. My face look alright still, but me here. Today I am going to wash it and clip it. It seems like you want to clip, so that's what I'm gonna do. Today is Sunday, and I really know what may I cook today. This is the thing, you know, living alone, you don't have to cook the whole traditional stuff. You know, on Sundays in Jamaica, we cook rice and peas and meat and vegetables and juice and all them stuff there. But you see me, probably just cook corn like macaroni and cheese or something, or eat leftovers. I don't know, depending on how me feel today. That's what I want to go off. Anyway, you know the norm, you know the strips. I'm going to tidy up the place and all them something, but I'm gonna show you them boring thing there and come back to you. But right now I'm actually watching church. Yeah, so I'm gonna focus on that first and then go tidy up the place and show on the whole ropes. You understand? So let me show you how I worship since COVID.
Freedom from the control, freedom from the influence, freedom from the overall influence, freedom from that. Plenty, wealthy, blessings of flow. Listen. You make a little money, don't spend it all back. 20% when you earn your stash. He got the 10, don't worry about that. Cause the windows I ever win, pour it up. As people are gone, if you have enough cash, it don't look right if you can't pay tax. Make we pray hard, bring the spirit of luck. Cause we have to catch a fish up with the money in it. We have your what to take. If they can't stop this now, should I really know they're gonna stop this now? Blessings are flow, blessings are grow. Oh gosh, plenty. But they can't stop this now. Should I really know they're gonna stop this now? Break it down for me, please. Listen.
Alright guys, so my neighbor come to carry me on the JP, so I just go fling on one top. Yeah, I just go put on one top because you know the JP here, sometimes they can't go in there. Well, professional place, they can't go in there with sleeveless. And I'm gonna put on one tights, not tights, but one pants-ish, like, you understand? I wonder if I can wear the shorts here. I wonder if I can wear the shorts, but I don't think, because the other day, turn light. The other day, we got JP and I had on a little rip, just a small rip. Just one small rip, and me have to buy. I had to buy, rent a skirt. I had to rent a skirt. I'm glad I'm actually doing this today because tomorrow now I can just go to the bank. Yeah, so really need to dress up because just on the road. Just on the road. So that's that. So I have my key and it may look like him even ready yet neither. But I carry the documents here because I'm gonna need evidence. I'm ready. Let me carry a pen just in case the man not a pen. A JP is supposed to have pen, but I'm gonna carry the pen anyway. But yeah, so that's that. So let's go, guys. Old man at work now. Young boy them gone.
What are them doing?
Guys, we went to the JP and he's not there. So now I'm at my neighbor next yard, lock up in the car, son had no AC. I'm just get my mother come out. He say about the car out there for me to get a breeze. Touch me. But don't want to get a breeze touch me. So I'm just lock up in here, wait till he come back. Hopefully it not take long. You understand? Just see if we can see one, find our next JP. Because I really want a JP today. Because I just want to get the bank thing out of the way so we can move forward. Me already got the US money change. It cost me 31 US dollars for about 31. It cost me 31,000 Jamaican dollars to get 200 US. So that's what I'm going to bank. $100 I have to open the account, and the next $200, the next $100 like for start off the trading thing. So let's see if we can get more though. Probably like a 300 US. Start off with $200 account. Yeah. So wish me luck, guys. You know, so the man really gonna lift me lock up in the car, hot. May I come out because the sun, not for me. May I call to Shani them. Yeah. Everything. Yeah. Lock me up in the fan and in the hot. Martina. My afternoon. Why? So it's another day. I just got up and just showered. I'm wearing a Jamaican shirt because I never get to wear it. So I'm wearing it today. No water in the air. No internet. I don't know what's going on. But as you can see, light there and weird things. So I'm just trying to go Adobe go open up a US account. And let's see what the day brings. My girl's supposed to come over here. That's for sure. All of them don't seem sure. So only one person seems sure. So I'm gonna see what the day brings. But we go on the road, so. Yesterday I totally forgot to vlog, but I never get through to not know me not try to do. Sorry for the noise, but I went to NCB trying to see if I could get an US account, as I was saying. But ever since me I tried to get one US account, but I want it with card because I need it for the forex market, right? But they don't issue card. Like, how can you be a bank and you don't issue card? Like, let me make it make sense. It don't make no sense. So today, we have one of my friend's vehicle, and we go check Scotia. Them give card if it's your first account. So my account is closed down, so hopefully we can get a card. Well, I'm going to get a card. But the thing about it is that the documents that I have, it wants supporting supporting documents. Like for the business registration, they want supporting documents. So just a pray to God say, yo, them just make it go through here, man. Because I just can't bother. Like, it's so hard to open an account in Jamaica. Can't bother. Can't manage. Honestly, can't manage. It's a choke here. Jesus Christ. You know, so me I drive slow. I'm not drive slow, no, me I drive 8 miles per hour. No, so yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. It's now after 7, and me I got Spanish Town because the whole of a branch closed down. So me I go Spanish Town. So someone overtake along. I'm going to rush go in a traffic. Big traffic catching up. So that me go do here, man. So me go pay attention to the road here before anything happen. As them people that drive like them mad. Stuck in traffic. And I really wanted to reach early now. I didn't want to reach about 7 o'clock. But due to our after 7 and 8 o'clock, that even seems possible right now. But at least, why? I don't know. Let's see what time it is. 7:42. I can reach it for 8 o'clock. And the bank open 8:30. But knowing them people here, they might come out early and instead of go there far in the line. Can't bother, no? Can't bother. Yeah, so that's on the agenda today, this bank, and hopefully we get through. When we reach, we check in back with you guys, and then we'll make you know at the end what happened, because you know, we go JN, we go NCV, and Nova Scotia. God, please make it be the last, please. Because we can't bother. Just to do some business, and just to do some business, it take a arm and a leg. We can't manage. Okay guys, so this is the line for Scotia. It's not open as yet. I am early, but yet still the line is very long. Oh boy, I don't know if I should stay or if I should go home. But I'm already here. Might as well stay. Oh boy, I can't be bothered. It's finished, but we reach all the way in Alfred Street, CIBC Sport. This is the only bank that I actually got through to get the US card. But when I reach home, I'll tell you the 100 because I'm in the bank coming on about the bank way. It's a rainy day, and yeah, but without the connector packet because my charger stopped working from my laptop. It's the reason why I haven't been editing or doing much of a posting. I don't even know if you can hear me, but that's what I'm gonna do. Waiting on the ride to come and pick me up, and then go and pick it up, and then I have my hair to go and collect. Doing my hair for my birthday. I ordered it online because it's much cheaper, and I'm going to do it myself because it's much cheaper. Yay! Alright guys, so today I came downtown and rain started to fall. Like rain a fall, and literally follow one of my friend come buy some stuff in shop. But guys, look at the out. Like look at that. Him gone by banana and so forth. But me coming at the van because I cannot do more than dirt and all those stuff. The girl is nice. The girl can manage to dirty up her skin because you know when the rain fall, the road dirty and then the dirty water flash up on my foot and we can't do that. I cannot do that. So I'm just here in the van waiting until he come back. We make sure lock the van because I ain't having it. We lock it because I don't want nobody coming here for me. Yeah, and I sit down in the driver's seat just in case like police come or anything happen, you know, we can just press go. Yeah, so that is it. But I know this vlog has been like all over the place and so forth. But yeah, this is just a little snips of what's going on a Saturday day. You know, we left Old Harbor or Spanish Town, no rain. Come to the market, it wasn't raining, and then now it's like pouring. It's pouring, literally pouring. So that's why we just have to rush. And even some of the stuff them like really want to get them cheap and so forth. But because of the rain, we say, you know what? Forget, just buy it. And yeah, we're hot, wet. Kinda get the go with it, but it's alright. You understand? It's okay. Yeah, it's alright. Anyway, I'll catch you back later. My friend just come and pick up her wedding package. Anyway, custom what meat? Dirty customs.
I mean, they tell us about this?
Yeah.
Just for me, they tell her
Me
personally?
ask, no, me ask you what you want and you give me a list
Me know
of
me tell
stuff.
somebody say I want magic bullet, but me never know
Yeah, you
that.
give me a list of stuff. She happy.
Thank you. Yes,
You're
this
welcome.
is something that I always wanted.
Me want one, I'm going to buy myself. But
Thank you.
welcome. It have a three
250
cup.
watt motor.
You work, man, you work
Stainless
good.
steel. Your man look like it shot, man.
Like devotion, empty notion. Like a roaring ocean, slowing motion. Lay down your troubled mind. We are only kind and will kindly cease to be. Have
So out here is very noisy, and a lot of persons passing by. You have person working out. You have a lot of sandfly out here. That's what I hate the most. But today I'm just gonna take photos for my birthday by Dane Visual, so you guys can go and check his YouTube page out. You can go and check his Instagram and other social media platform, and let me know what you think about this photo. I didn't go extra. I'm just going to my closet. I'm gonna take out one dress, I'm take out a little something. And even though, guys, they just tear because the bottom too big, but you know, we're gonna work it. Yeah. So I'm here actually waiting on him. I was supposed to be here at 8 o'clock. I reached here a couple minutes after 6. I don't know why I'm here this early, but I guess I underestimated the traffic. But yeah, so I just want to reflect on my hair before, my hair. So from last year to now, I actually started off the year on a blast, which I went to Dunn's River, went to Flamingo Beach, I went some other places, and it was very great, right? Throughout the year I went other places and went hotel in Jamaica for the first time. You know, that was very good. So I also made some accomplishments, and I am glad for that. I finished my bachelor degree. I learned a new trade. Edit and film a play for someone. So that was great, and we got a lot of good reviews, and especially the editing. I am so glad for that. So this YouTube thing has taught me a lot and helped me to venture into other, area of my life. I never know that I could be like a producer, and another play is coming out. But if you have not yet watched the play, go on over and watch it. It's a Christian-based play, so watch that. So I'm just gonna give you a little mini vlog and possibly a tour of the place, okay?
You should take it slow.